Guys, summer's in full swing, and you can't do summer without vegan lobster rolls. It's about time I made something like this. I used these pretty pink oyster mushrooms, and they are a seasonal item, so they only grow during the warm weather. If you can't find them, you can definitely use any other oyster mushroom for this recipe. Now this is just the first in a series of 3 epic summer sandwiches we're going to be featuring over the next few weeks. So let's get started. First, we're going to prep the pink oyster mushrooms. So cut off those woody ends and cube the soft stems. Take the mushroom heads and then tear those into thirds. In a medium saucepan over low to medium heat, combine apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, sugar, and half a teaspoon of sea salt. Stir this up until the salt and sugar dissolve, and then add in the oyster mushrooms. Bring this to a low boil and simmer for 8 to 10 minutes until the mushrooms taste quite marinated. Add these into a large mixing bowl, and then we're going to bulk up this filling with hearts of palm, celery, red onion, chives, garlic, fresh dill, vegan mayonnaise, some Old Bay seasoning, smoked paprika, and ground black pepper. You can also add some ground dulse if you want more of a seafoody flavor, and then stir this up to combine. Brush some melted vegan butter on the inside and outside of your hot dog buns. Toast these buns with the sides facing down for about 8 minutes, flipping halfway until they're golden brown. Now add some Bibb lettuce and place these leaf side up on one half of the rolls. Spoon about 3/4 of a cup of the vegan lobster meat into the sandwiches and add some crushed sea salt kettle chips right on top. Well, there you have it. Super scrumptious vegan lobster rolls that are totally ocean friendly. If you guys like this one, leave some love in the comments below and be sure to share your pics on social by tagging @hot4food so I can see all of your awesome creations. I'm Lauren from Hot for Food, and keep on watching my channel. I have linked some videos here and here. Just keep on binge watching. Also, you can follow me on social media @hot4food, @Lauren Toyota, and of course subscribe because I'm here with brand new recipes every Wednesday.